So a lot of times when I go to a car show, I come across a cool car. The owner is not around, and I shoot the vehicle. And this one happens to be a 1949 Buick Super. And I actually shot this vehicle, and it's I'll have a link below. It's featured in the first year of the story behind the car. A gentleman by the name of Geoff owns this. So the 1949 Super shared the iconic General Motors C-body with the Roadmaster, but this is a shorter wheelbase and a smaller Super 8, straight 8 engine. And it's just such a beautiful car and inspired by the design by Ned Nickles. And he wanted to design the vehicle as if the driver was a fighter pilot. And so this car is so amazing as far as its design and the different features, similar to a fighter pilot. The VentiPorts there, yeah, that's the name, VentiPorts. And it had the Dynaflow transmission. That was an optional. It's an automatic. The hood, if you go to the other video, you'll see the hood opens both left and right, which is really cool. And get this, the amount of vehicles they made of this, it was a record-breaking 190,000 Buick Supers built in 1949. Those numbers are staggering compared to what you see nowadays. And check out the lights on the fenders. So when you get a chance, go watch the original video I did with Geoff. And thanks again for watching. Love the gunsight there on the center of the hood. There's the VentiPorts again. And just the styling. Check out this key cover and that handle. Just amazing. The design on it. What a beautiful car. And if you go to the other video, you'll see a description from Geoff.